Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about how to view and manage battery usage for an app on your Galaxy Z Flip 5. This is a great way to optimize your device's battery life and ensure your favorite apps are running smoothly. So, let's get started. First, open the Settings app by tapping on the gear icon from the home screen or apps tray. In the Settings menu, find and then tap on Battery. To continue, navigate to the battery usage section and then tap to select the app that you'd like to manage. In the next window, you will see more details of the selected app's battery usage, including system resource usage, wireless communication, and more. To set usage limits for the app, simply turn on the background usage limit switch and then choose whether you'd like to put the app to sleep or in deep sleep. Repeat the same steps to manage background usage limits for your other apps. And that's it! An easy way to manage your battery usage per app on your Galaxy Z Flip 5. Remember, managing your battery usage effectively can likewise extend your battery life and improve your device's performance. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials and troubleshooting guides.